Hey guys, it's Edie, and it was raining a little bit ago. There was like rain on the ground. It dried up already. Okay, so it was raining. I think it still sort of is, but now the sun is shining through. Okay, so I guess this video was just supposed to be about it's raining, it's pouring. I hope this vid isn't boring. Okay, and then you can see the sun maybe better. If I could zoom in, there's the beautiful sun. As you can see, the sky is like gray. It's not sunny. So yeah. It's a little windy, I guess. I am barefoot. Oh yeah, there's a few raindrops on my tablet, so it is still raining a little. Let's wipe that off. So yeah, as you can see, that doesn't oopsie daisy. Look at the skies. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of a rainy day. Hopefully I'm not like this is like video is boring. Okay. Proof for wind. Those trees were just they're moving. I just felt a raindrop, so yeah, it's kind of a rainy evening. If you guys are experiencing rain too, please comment down below. Yeah. So those trees are moving. Okay. And that's the beautiful sun again. So yeah, it's raining, I guess. At least it's raining a little bit. So yeah. Wind. Guys actually might be able to hear that. And maybe even a little bit of the highway. Yeah, so it's windy. Yeah. And also, for some reason, we're going to take a little walk here from our backyard. For some reason, my sound on my stop motions isn't working. And I really want it to work because I've made some videos and I'm trying to do sound and it's not working and I want it to work. So I don't know when like that's gonna start working again because I really want it to start working again. It like needs to. And so I guess those stop motions will be posted when the stop motion app decides to cooperate. I really want it to because I want to send the stop motions on YouTube. But I can't because it doesn't have sound. Well, I guess I could send them on YouTube without sound, but I mean, wouldn't that be sort of weird? Or would it? I don't know. So, anyways, my stop motion app is, I guess, sort of malfunctioning in a way. It's raining, it's pouring. Hope this vid isn't boring. Okay, bye guys, subscribe.